With just a short prompt, you can instantly create a fully designed professional website with no coding and no monthly fees, all thanks to ClickSites AI. Hello everyone, I'm Thomas, and today we're exploring ClickSites AI, an intuitive and powerful AI website builder that lets you create stunning websites in minutes. Whether you're a business owner, freelancer, or agency, ClickSites AI automates design, content, and image creation so you can launch your site fast and easily. What is ClickSites AI? ClickSites AI is a web-based platform that uses artificial intelligence to build complete websites on autopilot. Just chat with the AI, describe your business or idea, and it instantly generates text, images, and a polished layout tailored to your need. It includes free hosting with SSL, SEO tools, and a drag-and-drop editor for easy customization. Unlike many traditional builders, ClickSites AI charges a one-time fee, no monthly subscription, making it an affordable solution for professionals and beginners alike. Price. ClickSites AI offers a one-time payment model with no monthly fees. Pricing details are available upon request, but this model makes it a cost-effective alternative to platforms like Wix, Squarespace, or WordPress that require ongoing subscriptions. How to use ClickSites AI tutorial. Visit ClickSites.ai and create an account. Start by chatting with the AI chatbot. Describe your business or website idea. Review the AI-generated website, including text, images, and layout. Customize your site using the drag and drop editor or ask the AI assistant to make design adjustments. Add extra blocks like contact forms, pricing tables, or testimonials as needed. Optimize your site with built-in SEO tools to improve search engine rankings. Publish your website with free hosting and SSL included. Optionally, download your website's HTML files for full control and self-hosting. Manage multiple projects easily with organized workspaces and multilingual support.